Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to explain the next topic, that is the clock or time. The definition of time is the ongoing and continuous sequence of the events that occurs in succession from the past through the present to the future. So in the time we have to measure hours, minutes and second. Now here we having the types of clock. We have two types of clock. The first one is the analog clock and the second one is the digital clock. In the analog clock we having hands, small hand and the large hand, or the short hand and the large hand. While in the digital clock, here we have no hands. So this large hand is used for minutes hand and the small hand is used for hours. If the minute hand moves from, now the analog clock is given to you and you have to write the time in the digital clock. So if the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 9, so the time is 9 o'clock. Before, this is called as the colon, and the before colon is the hours, and after colon we having minutes. This is hours and this is minutes. So if the minute hand moves from 12 to 1, the minute hand moves from 12 to 1, so the time is 9:05. If the minute hand moves from 1 to 2, the time is 9:10. If the minute hand moves from 2 to 3, the time is 9:15. If the minute hand moves from 3 to 4, the time is 9:20. If the minute hand moves from 4 to 5, the time is 9:25. If the minute hand moves from 5 to 6, the time is 9:30. If the minute hand moves from 6 to 7, the time is 9:35. If the minute hand moves from 7 to 8, if the minute hand moves from 7 to 8, the time is 9:40. If the minute hand moves from 8 to 9, the time is 9:45. If the minute hand moves from 9 to 10, the time is 9:15. If the minute hand moves from 10 to 11, the time is 9:55. If the minute hand moves from 11 to 12, the time is 10 o'clock. So now the analog clock is given to you and you have to write it in the digital clock. Before colon we having hours and after the colon we having minutes. So this is hours and this is minutes. This is hours and this is minutes. So this is all about the clock. So I hope you will understand, and for the practice you will do the exercise number 5.1 and you will do the question number 2. So I hope you will understand. Thank you so much.